First, you'll need to download the BIOS update file from the Dell website. Open a web browser and go to dell.com/support. Identify your system by typing the service tag into the search bar. Click on Drivers and Downloads. Expand on Access the complete list of drivers and downloads. Choose your operating system and set the category to BIOS. Scroll down and click Download next to the BIOS update file. Navigate to your Downloads folder in File Explorer. Right-click on the BIOS update file you downloaded and click Copy. Navigate to this folder, C:\Windows\System\32. Click on any open space in the folder and type Ctrl-V to paste the file. You will require administrator rights on your computer to complete this task. Minimize the window and continue with the next step. If your system has BitLocker encryption enabled, we'll need to temporarily suspend it before updating BIOS. Click on the Windows Start button and search for and open Manage BitLocker. Click on Suspend Protection and accept any on-screen prompts to confirm the suspension. Before manually forcing the BIOS file to run, if you're using a laptop, make sure it stays connected to the charger during this entire process. Click on the Windows Start button and search for CMD. Right-click on the command prompt result and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes in the pop-up that appears. Go back to File Explorer where you still have the Windows System32 folder open. Select the BIOS update file and press F2 on your keyboard. This will highlight the file name. Right-click on the highlighted name and select Copy. Back in the CMD window, paste the file name, hit space, and add /force it. Press Enter. Depending on your BIOS version, the update might start right away or will show you a window with the details of the update. Click on the Update button. The system will need to restart to complete the process.